Hello everyone. This is a simple video on how I organized my fridge. So this is how my fridge looked before. It's all dirty, messed. Now I'm going to remove this drawer, shelves, racks for the cleaning. It's all clean now. I cleaned it with simple plain water. That's it. Here I used soap water to clean all the racks and shelves and placed it below a cotton cloth to get it dry. Such a beautiful view of a condominium. Now I'm going out to a nearby shopping mall to buy a box or a container to organize my fridge. This is one of my favorite places to shop, Mr. DIY in Malaysia. Here you get everything for a low price. That's a food container to store fishes. Overall view of Mr. DIY, and it's in Jayamore. After coming back, I placed all the racks and shelves in the fridge. Now my fridge is clean and neat. Meanwhile, we had some grocery shoppings too with this little boy. I'm done. Finally, I'm done with grocery shoppings too. So on the top, eggs, and here butter, cheese slice, and some grated cheeses, plain yogurt and flavored yogurt, some cooking creams, etc. And that's pickle from my hometown, juice syrup, milk, whipped cream, and some organic milk too. And in the bottom, all my sauces. That's how my other side of the fridge looked. Starting from the bottom drawer, I kept some rice powders, puttu powders, all the powders, the bottom in a plastic cover, and a pineapple. And that's a vegetable box. And that's a fruit box. I got those 2 boxes from Mr. DIY. And some curry leaves which is ready to use, and have some coriander and curry leaves in a ziploc bag. Can be used for 2 more weeks too. Tomatoes, ginger, chilies. I got all those trays from Mr. DIY too. Some ready to fry fishes. Empty space over there. Next is top part freezer. Coconut box which is empty now. Next is meat container. I have some fish and chicken and some spices in the door shelf. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. Bye.